Determine you are ready. So for us now, look at our houses estate that we are doing. I invite you, we are very soon now, within the next, I think 2-3 weeks now, we'll be commissioning about 3 or 4 of our housing estates that those are the pilots. The one in Agbara, the Orange Valley here, the Ogun for the civil servants, the Plainfield. We are starting new Maku now, and we have 2 or 3 new cities that we are doing now. By the time we finish it, I pray to God that God will give us the wherewithal to see it through. Because state will never be the same for good reason.
The growth of any economy is largely dependent on its transportation infrastructure. Good network of roads are the bedrock on which accessibility and efficiency of other social amenities are established. With this in mind, the Amosun-led administration commenced work in this sector with visible improvements as seen in the creation of rural roads, overhead bridges and community roads.
It's Ogun standard. Any major city in Ogun State, minimum 6 lane. That's the entry level, 6 lane. So that in the next 30 years, 40, 50 years, no governor is coming to say we want to start another road. No, which road again? We must continue to maintain, unless those ones that we have not touched. There's no way we can finish all. In the last count today, by the time our bridges are in place, we'll be talking about 24 of those bridges. As we speak now, I can safely tell you that those that are ready for commissioning will not be less than maybe 8 or so that are ready fully. And by the time we are now training our youth, our young graduates, they are going to be the person that will have the landscape. In 2 years now, down the line, you will think you are in the street of anywhere in the world. Shade here and there, left, right, the media, our street light, CCTV. It's a smart city.
The power sector in the state has also benefited from the rebuilding agenda. The government has invested in the rehabilitation of street lighting and proper electricity supply across the state. The government has taken a stance to combat crime and insecurity through the provision of armored personnel carriers, security patrol vans, and much more, which has led to a reduction of crime and enabled businesses across the state to thrive much better than it used to.
Look at security. Those days, banks, they were closed, perpetually closed, even for more than 1 year, 2 years. In the entire Ogun East Senatorial District, no bank, they were not open because of insecurity. Today, banks will open all. Indeed, for 3 years running, the security watch, a lot of security monitoring outfits. They gave Ogun State 3 years running. More security conscious states. Yes, it is not that we are saying that we spend more than some states. No. I know Lagos State, Rivers, they spend more than us maybe. But of course, we spend heavily on security. People have seen the genuineness, the intention that we put into governance.
Also under its 5-point cardinal program, the Amosun-led administration has provided employment for indigents of the state across the various critical sectors which include health, agriculture, and education. In little over 3 years, Ogun State is fast becoming a destination of choice, providing ample opportunities for indigenes and visitors, as Senator Ibikunle Amusan steadfastly continues his mission to rebuild the Gateway State.
The Ogun of my dream would be an Ogun State where, whether you are Mr. A or Mr. B, you will know that we all have equal access, equal opportunity to good living. And we will state that in the area of education will be a reference point. They will mention the things, oh, go to those model schools. Model schools that in the model schools that we are doing now, in the next 100 years, they're there. People will come and say, when was this done? Lawyers, doctors, accountants, AKMs, local lawyers, a lot of wonderful people who come out from those schools. Ogun State, where we have health challenge, whatever health challenges that we have, we know that we can resolve it. Whether, oh, we need to fly to this place. Ogun State that people will say, oh, okay, let's fly to Ogun State this time, we have an international whatever there. I foresee Ogun State having more than even 2-3 airports, so it is well developed. Ogun State is far flung. Is it the Oloko axis you want to talk about? Is it the Kokia we want to talk about? Is it the Mekwafo? Is it the Odeda of this world that we want to talk about? It's far flung. And every of those our local governments is not even to be a state, to even be a mega state really. We are endowed. So I want to see Ogun State that will be developed to its full potential. Ogun State that will take back its pride of preeminence. When I'm not just speaking for the camera, if you remove Ogun State in the context of Nigeria, but living with all respect to our people, I think some good part of Nigeria will not be removed. We are blessed, we are gifted, so I want to see that Ogun State that will develop to its full potential.